welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into Boston Scientific's latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Boston Scientific has delivered an impressive performance this quarter, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Boston Scientific reported net sales of $5.61 billion for Q2 2025, marking a 22.8% increase on a reported basis. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
It's quite remarkable. The company not only exceeded its guidance range, but also outperformed analyst expectations. This growth is driven by strong performance across its segments, particularly in cardiovascular, which saw a 26.8% increase in reported sales.
And what about their earnings per share?
Boston Scientific achieved an adjusted EPS of 75, beating the forecast of 72 cents from 11 analysts. This reflects their ability to expand margins and manage costs effectively, contributing to a solid bottom line.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Boston Scientific reported a gross profit of $3.424 billion. How does this impact their operational performance?
The gross profit increase is a testament to their operational efficiencies and cost management strategies. With an operating income of $819 million, they are well positioned to continue investing in growth initiatives.
What can we expect from Boston Scientific moving forward?
The company has provided strong guidance for the full year, with adjusted EPS expected to range between $2.95 and $2.99. CEO Mike Mahoney expressed gratitude to the global team for their clinical and commercial excellence, which bodes well for their long-term performance.
Strategic initiatives and product developments. Boston Scientific has been active on the strategic front. Can you tell us about their recent initiatives?
Absolutely. They've received FDA approval for the FARAPULSE pulsed field ablation system, which is a significant milestone. Additionally, they've completed acquisitions of Intera Oncology and Sony V, expanding their portfolio in oncology and hypertension treatment.
And what about their product developments?
They've also received a CE mark for the Watchman FLX Pro device, which enhances their offerings in cardiovascular care. Furthermore, the commencement of the REMATCH IDE clinical trial highlights their commitment to innovation and addressing unmet medical needs.
Regional performance and market expansion. Let's discuss their regional performance. How did Boston Scientific fare across different markets?
The U.S. market was a standout, with sales growth of 30.7%. This was complemented by strong performances in APAC and emerging markets, which grew by 18.8% and 11.6% respectively. EMEA saw a more modest growth of 6.8%.
What does this mean for their market expansion strategy?
These results indicate a well-balanced global strategy. The robust growth in the U.S. and APAC regions suggests that Boston Scientific is effectively capturing market share and expanding its footprint in key areas.
Key takeaways. In summary, Boston Scientific has delivered a strong quarter with impressive sales growth and earnings performance. Their strategic initiatives and product developments position them well for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Boston Scientific's ability to exceed expectations and provide strong guidance is a positive indicator for investors. Their focus on innovation and market expansion should continue to drive growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Boston Scientific's performance in the comments below.